Hello, and welcome Village Elementary Early Childhood Development Center to our presentation on the Khan Academy. I'm here to show you different ways that the Khan Academy can be a useful tool to use within your classrooms, and how it can meet different standards that are going to help you and your students both succeed. So, within the Khan Academy, they have many different learning areas: math, science and engineering, computing, arts and humanities, economics and finance, test prep, college careers, and more. We're going to be focusing right now on math. So you can go to math by grade, and here you can go to the kindergarten math by grade. And it is going to give you the options of counting and place value, addition and subtraction, measurement, and geometry. So within here, we're just going to look at measurement and geometry quickly. So as you can see, there's different things within measurement and geometry, comparing size, basic shapes. It has quizzes that go along with these different lessons, and there's still more to come. So as you can see, this is a great tool for a blended classroom because it has activities that you can do online that support the learning that you're doing within your class. I will show you throughout this slide how you can use it to help your students with individualization of lessons, and how you can really make it work for assessments and really get the most out of it for the learners in your class. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up an account. So you have the option: a student can set it up, you as a teacher can set it up, or the parent can set it up. I have already set mine up, so I'm going to log in quickly. And here we are back at the measurement and geometry. So there's practice quizzes that you can do, and then you can start the quiz. So these are practice kind of assignments that you can have before you take the quiz. And let's look at one of the practices, which is longer: the caterpillar or the roly-poly? Caterpillar. You hit the check button. It makes a nice sound, says nice work, you got it. You have 6 more to go in this lesson. And a really awesome thing about this too that you can do, and that's really meaningful for your class, is you can assign it to your students. And you can also, right now I just have the one student in here, you can assign it to all your students. If you have some specific students that really need help in this one area, you can assign it to them specifically. So that's wonderful because it might not be a meaningful task for all the students in your class. So you do have the ability to differentiate the assignments and in the instructions on what you think is going to be most beneficial to the students in your class. So stay tuned for our next slides to see all the amazing ways that the Khan Academy can be useful to you and your students.